Hi guys, Smalls and Talls here. This is the road up to Pickens Nose. It is a sheet of ice right now. On our way in, we did get stopped by a couple who said to turn around and not even try it, that it's just too slippery to make it up, but so far so good. We are in four-wheel drive. We do have the differential locked. We haven't spun at all so far, and we're going for it. All right, guys, let's keep driving. Well, kiddos, he wanted to play in the snow. At this point, we have passed multiple people expressing how difficult the trail was from here on out, and we considered listening to them and turning around. But without listening to my wife's voice of reason, I decided to continue on in an attempt to help the people who were stranded ahead. As we were warned, the trail did get a lot more difficult right here. As you can see, there's lots of rocks. It's a lot more bouncy and definitely a much steeper terrain. But I must say, the truck held its own and did outstanding. Here's where we got to an elderly couple and their GMC Envoy two-wheel drive who were having difficulties. Lucky for them, there was a man in a 4Runner up at the top of the hill who helped pull them out of the ditch with their winch. We attempted to get up there but could not get past the few cars in front of us, so we just had to wait. After multiple attempts and going from ditch to ditch, the gentleman in the GMC decided tomorrow's another day and he'll come back and get his vehicle after everything thaws. Here's where we passed the trailhead for Pickens Nose Trail. We wanted to check out the overlook in the snow, however we decided with the amount of ice on the trail to continue on for the safety of the kids. After we passed the trailhead there at Pickens Nose, we were on the other side of the mountain where the sun was hitting the mountain. As you can see, there's a lot less ice and a lot less snow over here. However, with the thaw, it was very muddy. At this point, we got to a fork in the road. To the right was Albert Mountain, and to the left was Standing Indian. We elected to go to the right and drive up to the top of Albert Mountain. When we got there, we realized that it was a dead end, so we turned around and drove back to Standing Indian. The ride to Standing Indian was absolutely beautiful. It was full of trails and multiple waterfalls. We cannot wait to go back and check the place out when we have time to hike it. This section was definitely the road less traveled. There are very few tire marks here in the snow, and the snow is still very deep. Now we're heading back into Franklin, North Carolina to find a good hill for the kids to sled down. Then we're heading back home to Georgia.
That was awesome!
Come on, Charles, kick it. Oh no!
All in all, I must say this was another outstanding family adventure for the Smalls and Talls family. We really appreciate you guys taking the time and watching our videos, and especially the feedback. Please let us know what you think about our new videos that we're making. We plan on doing an overland build with this truck and starting a whole new lifestyle. Alright guys, thank you again for watching. Please like and subscribe and click that bell for notifications. For now, S&T, peace out.